Hi there. I am Mrs. McShane, and I am the business and computers teacher at Forreston High School. So I would have your student for computers, Microsoft Office, marketing, accounting, or consumers education. In my class, I have expectations that I want the students to follow for every class, and they can be found in the syllabus that I give out on the first week of school. So your child has received this when they had me the first week, but I can also send a copy to you guys as well. So for any of my class, there are different expectations, obviously, for what we're covering, what units, and different things like that, because all subject areas are different. However, in general, my class policies are: first, respect everyone and everything; second, be prepared; and third, do your best. So I expect everyone to follow these three policies: respect everyone and everything, including themselves; be prepared for my class; be on time; turn things in on time; be prepared for tests and quizzes; and do your best. I know every student learns differently, and that is why I expect everyone to do their best and not anyone else's best. So if your student can follow these things, be on time, be prepared, and ready to learn and have a great time, I really think that we will have a great time in my class. If you need anything, don't hesitate to send me an email or call the school to get a hold of me. I hope you have a fabulous school year. Let's go Cards.